Top 10 largest characters in Ben 10, and I will not include the same species more than once unless there is a difference between them. At number 10 is the tree monster, which we first saw in Ben 10, Alien Force Season 2, in the episode If All Else Fails. It was created by the High Breed, and if we compare its height, it was much bigger than Humungosaur. At number 9 is Giant Trombipular. We saw him in Ben 10 Omniverse, in the episode Blukik and Dryba Go to Mr. Smoothies. Trombipular's normal size is about the same as Humungosaur, but in that episode, after eating peanuts, he grew extremely large. So, at number 8 is Giant Vilgax. We saw him in Ben 10 Alien Force, in the episode Vengeance of Vilgax, Part 2. After losing to Ben, Vilgax fell into the Codon stream, which caused him to grow in size. His height became equal to that of Way Big. At number 7 is Way Big, Ben's largest alien. We first saw him in the movie Ben 10, Secret of the Omnitrix. Azimuth unlocked his DNA in the Omnitrix to help Ben defeat Vilgax. At number 6 is the Garbage Monster, which we first saw in Ben 10 Ultimate Alien, in the episode The Widening Gyre. It was created due to an experiment on a pile of trash. By consuming garbage, it grew so massive that even Way Big looked small in front of it. At number 5 is Giant Malware, which we see in Ben 10 Omniverse, in the episode Showdown, Part 2. He uses one of Azimuth's machines to grow so large that even Way Big looks like a child in front of him. At number 4 is Ultimate Way Big, which we first saw in the Ultimate Enemy, Part 2. Ben transforms into Ultimate Way Big to defeat Dagon, and his height is twice that of the regular Way Big. At number 3 is Dagon, whom we saw in the same episode. He is an interdimensional entity whose height is so massive that Ben had to transform into Ultimate Way Big to fight him. At number 2 is Celestialcipian, whom we saw in Ben 10, Ultimate Alien, in the episode Forge of Creation. His height is as large as a planet, and we see him constantly floating in space. At number 1 is the Galactic Gladiator, whom we first saw in Ben 10 Omniverse, in the episode Universe vs. Tennyson. His height is initially that of a normal human, but during the battle, he grows so massive that even galaxies appear small in front of him. Who do you think is the biggest? Share your opinion below, and if I missed any character, make sure to mention it. Don't forget to subscribe.